An unexpected order needs manpower. A large-scale customer event needs coordination. A visiting VIP needs security. To ensure successful outcomes, your team requires instant communications that go beyond the job site, lobby, or office. At the same time, you're faced with the challenges of your workers using multiple devices such as smartphones, PCs, and radios. What's needed is a way to seamlessly communicate so you can elevate service and boost productivity. Wave PTX brings the immediacy and spontaneity of PTT into the cloud, taking PTT further. Connect via voice or text and share critical information, regardless of the format, the device, or service provider. Connect your motor turbo radio system to Wave PTX and eliminate the barriers between the traditional office space and the commercial and industrial areas. Pay for only what you need with a simple per-user subscription fee and no long-term commitments. That last-minute order fulfilled. Your large-scale customer event flawlessly executed. VIP visit secured. See how connecting people and devices with Wave PTX push-to-talk communication makes sense for your business and your bottom line.